doing good. No, I'm kidding. Me, Case Willie, first ever doubles tournament together. The boys, Longview, Texas. We got in, little flight problems, but don't worry about it. I haven't thrown a good one yet.
What was that?
I haven't thrown a good shot yet. This is so funny. Should have moved. I should have moved. I should have moved. Should have. Mama, there goes that man. Shout out Stuart Scott.
What do you want to see here?
That Atlas. I want to see something shiny. I want to see if you can throw it. What do you have? Yeah. I want to see if you can throw it left and see if it gets off the spot still, even though we've been throwing everything the whole time.
Might not be.
Show me something. Okay, not that far. Kevin, not taking 2 steps.
Dude, what are we doing?
Do I move? No. Maybe?
I'd move 1. Just like you did in the left lane.
I told you it was going to come off the spot. I knew that was going to happen. Get out. I just can't keep up with Pop Kev.
All right.
Yeah, I just can't keep up with him.
Don't pick up your spare.
He can't keep up with the boy. I like that.
That's better.
I like that.
That's much betterer.
I like that. Yay, Kevin Williams, you're my hero. Oh my God, you're the best player.
Hey, do you guys get this reference? Wild thornberries? Cook. Everybody, if you ever bowl with Cameron Crowe, don't let him try to clear a dead look, because this is what happens. I mean, you did warn all of us.
I told you it was going to happen by through the dead wood.
You said you were going to miss it, not leave it on the freaking gutter.
The ball didn't get through.
Yeah, good job,
I
dude.
didn't finish.
The guy who throws it 1,000.
Eric, what's the work? Do you have a sweater? Oh.
So close. All right, Cam, good shot.
Come on, wake us up. We gotta go. Come on. Tell me what you made of, Stuart.
Do we know what we were up after 1?
20.
You can go at game 1 to H. Good shot. Oh, baby.
Yeah, K. Yeah, K. Yeah, K. Come on. Hold me up, boy.
Let's go to work.
I gotta move.
The purple would have flew off that.
Yeah, I gotta
that one,
move.
it hit it early, but it laid there.
That one was the best shot you threw all
it's just got to be steeper.
Yeah.
Great
this
shot.
lane I can throw it a little harder. This lane I
I
got
was gonna say that. Yeah, I was gonna ask if that's what you did.
I moved. Now, yeah, okay. It's the best shot you threw. By a lot. It was the best shot you threw.
You said that 2 of the last 3 shots, so I gotta be throwing it decent.
Yeah, you throwing them good. That's free. Come on, baby. Better work.
All right. Well, somehow, some way, we found ourselves in the losers bracket. We were up 60 going in the last game, and then Chapman and his partner had 540, and they bowled a great game. So we're in the losers bracket, and we have a lot of bowling to do today. Starts now this match. Let's get to work, Cam.
It's time to go be great.
Let's get to work.
Hey, you're not seeing no funny side of Keven today. It's time to go be great.
How different are you playing these two?
I'm throwing a reactive ball on one lane, and I'm throwing urethane on the other.
That doesn't help me. See it. Yes, sir. Hold me up. I got you. Yeah, you're on their lane.
Close. Yeah. You're gonna throw them hard?
I mean, that's not very hard, but it's hard
it was
enough.
harder. Yeah.
To give you guys a little insight of this pair between the left lane and the right lane. The right lane, we're throwing shiny reactive balls. And on the left lane, we're throwing the black hammer. So these lanes are not the same. Messenger looked like it hit it, but it didn't.
That's why I didn't scream.
There we go. We don't want to face up right on that lane.
Here we go.
Took a while.
Come on. We gotta finish this game. They're gonna start striking. We're not gonna have what happened to us last day.
See it. Oh!
See it. Yeah. Hey, one more. Come on. Come on. Did you move?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Good. I forgot to say.
I didn't move a lot, but I did move. No, I know.
Yeah, I mean, mine twerked off the spot, so yeah. All right.
Everything's right in the world, guys. I beat Cam again.
Shut up. Shut up.
Cam got one game on me.
Shut up. Shut up. I don't want to spend the whole day doing nothing. I came here to bowl. Might as well bowl, right? Wow, that hooks.
Oh, did you know that we're about to bowl the second best father-son duo on the PBA Tour that's currently on it? Because the first best is me and you. Gotta get away from the gutter.
That wasn't the gutter. That was like 3 down there.
Yeah, but I'm saying, like, I just don't think you have to be so far in front of you. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on, bro. I got you.
Okay.
Do your thing. I got you. Good shot. Keep working.
Hey, Mike.
Just one more good one right here. Go. Yes, sir. All 10. Great shot. Way to work.
Come on,
Way to
man.
grind and get what you
Come
can.
on, man. I'm nearing the 10th.
Way to work.
Now.
And I'm the same.
About the same.
I just played the exact same.
It's fine.
See it. Come on now.
Float. Great move. Way to trust yourself. Way to trust yourself.
Come on.
Come on, okay. See it. Ah. Oh, lay it down. Come on. You gotta still be great. Let's go. We got work to do.
You think?
I overmove. I'm gonna hit it.
God damn. Run it over. Come on.
I'm not even mad at it. I can't be mad at this one.